Hi, I'm Cliff Dice here in Nashville, Tennessee, and we have the Tech Summit put on by Dice Corporation for its customers in the alarm industry to learn about technology and trends happening in the alarm industry and what's going to happen in the future. We have 4 different silos of software products out of our 70 here at the Tech Summit. We're giving demos showing the next generation of security and sales, service, cloud video, and matrix monitoring technologies. So one of the trends here at the Tech Summit and that we've been showing is that monitoring solutions in central stations are changing rapidly. There's a lot of video that we are including. Some jurisdictions are going to video verification, where you not only have to look at the video as you're monitoring, you also have to send it to the authority that you dispatched on. We're showing our new technology that allows you to send the video to the authorities in the interconnected system that we have, and we've already got 3 jurisdictions that are doing that in the United States, so we're showing that technology here that we've built into our monitoring platforms.